Good morning, team. Can you hear me online? Yes, Sudarshan, Abdul, Abhishek, Ankita, Arvind, Bitin, Chandramali, everyone, guys. Yeah, okay, cool. Voice is clear, online team. Good. So, guys, let me tell you to the online students, any questions? Yesterday, we had a quite long sessions with you. Yeah, I spent especially 15 to 20 minutes time for question and answer sessions. The same goes today as well. And tomorrow we're going to start working with download all applications, and we start working the task using Python programming language, all those things. Okay. Yeah. Clear, guys? Okay. Just one moment. Let me share the screen. So yesterday we covered these slides. What are the projects we need to work on 4-month sessions, and what job supports we give you guys. I mean, every day we discuss with case studies and mock interviews on every class. Before that, what is the difference between univariate and bivariate analysis? Anyone? What is the difference between univariate and bivariate, guys? Online and offline as well. When we plot the graph using one variable, we called uni, and bivariable is called bivariate, right? Yeah. And also, I'll share the books which client has given to me because I'm a working professional. So I'm just working under some Oxford universities and all these guys. So I got received books from them, and I'm going to share those books at end of the sessions. Okay. And we will have one-on-one sessions with each and every learner for online and offline as well. And every sessions, I will give some question banks regards to the concepts, algorithms, and you take down all the questions banks and you prepare, so that that would help you to crack the rounds, first round, second round, and finally get offers. Yeah. What are the important websites need to refer? See, guys, old days training methods are gone. I mean, you guys have to come up with more books, materials you require. But now the things is gone, guys. We are advanced now. So we need to work based on that. Okay. And resume preparations based on individuals. Yeah. After complete all courses, we need to upload the resume job portals. So we have 7 job websites. Maybe you aware of it or not, I don't know. But let me show you again. Job websites. Did you see? Naukri, Indeed, Job Rapido, Times Jobs, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Monster, CareerJet, JobGreen, Dice, and Jobble.com. Yeah, these are almost around 11 job websites. Not only you get a interview calls from India, you get a calls from across the globe. Understand? So online guys, are you listening to me, everyone? So let me, anybody have any questions? So Prakash and Varma, so do you guys have first day today for you, Prakash and Varma? Okay, so no need to worry, we can speak, I can speak with you after the sessions. Yeah, and I have special time for you guys online so that I can address all of your questions one by one. Okay, now I hope, just one moment. Yeah. Okay, lot of things today. Let's understand this topic. In day-to-day world, where exactly we're going to use AI? Let's understand first. He is the founder of artificial intelligence, right? His name is John McCarthy. He was found on 1956 AI, all right? And now AI is impacting various domains such as banking, marketing, healthcare, and so on. Understand? So how AI is impacting on social media, right? We're going to see this. Chatbots, let's see one by one. Let's see one by one. AI in social media. In social media, we are generating immeasurable amounts of data through charts, tweets, posts, and so on, isn't it? Everybody's chatting with each other. You guys are tweet. Yeah. So this is structured data or unstructured data? Structured or unstructured? Unstructured, where there is no label. Yeah. Now, let's say how Facebook is used AI. Let me give you an example. Social media platforms like Facebook, AI used to face verifications, whereas machine learning and deep learning concepts are used to detect face features and tag your friends. Day one, I talk about face recognitions projects, right, guys? Yeah. How a machine is recognize your face and eyes based on that your mobile is unlocked. Yeah, based on your face. So in the back end, we used ML algorithms and deep learning algorithms. Understand? For example, let's say tomorrow is your birthday. Tomorrow someone's birthday. So how your friends able to know that you got some pop-up notifications in front end, right? So how the pop-up notifications popped up, guys? The backend is machine learning and deep learning concepts we've been used in the backend, right? And now Twitter. Everybody use Twitter accounts? Yes or no? Yeah. So in the Twitter, every time you receive another example of AI in social media is Twitter. Artificial intelligence is used to identify hate speech or terrorist language in tweets. Mean whenever you have tweet accounts, every time you receive a good messages only. Yeah, you never receive any bad messages. Why, guys? So does any person is available in the no, guys? So it's all about the machine learning and deep learning NLP to filter the offensive tweet. I mean offensive content or terrorist language, all those things. AI in chatbots, yeah. Chatbots, I hope we build a chatbot model, I think day before yesterday, and we understood how exactly Cortana, which are again popularity because of experience they provide. A lot of bank applications, chatbot like Indigo, IRCTC, everywhere, chatbots are very implement. Just now I show you, let me go and chatbot job openings using deep learning or machine learning. Did you see, guys? Automations chatbot developer, technical architect chatbot, conversations AI consultant. Plenty of jobs is available for chatbot. If you are a freshers, some of them, sir, I'm studying BSc and BCom. So what I need to do, I just give you one projects, you work on the projects and you upload your resume and upload in this job websites, which I showed you right now. Definitely, guys, you get a interview calls. Make sense what I'm saying? Everybody is understand what I'm talking, guys? Yes, online team, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm showing you what exactly we are studying. After studying, where to apply this, all those things we're discussing, right, guys? Now the next topic is yeah, come back. Amazon Alexa, speech recognitions, how your device is using speech recognitions. I had this projects, it's working from my headphone, but I don't know why this is not listening. But anyway, I if I remove this plugin, this you can the video will play in YouTube. Understand? So I already fixed this. No, it's fine, but I don't understand the capture. My voice is not recognized by the machines using these headphones, guys. All right. So this is voice recognition. Did you see import speech recognitions project, isn't it? Oh, this is a package. Using this package, all C++ Java code has bundled with this package, and you need to import this package to recognize my speech. And this is the way the communications is happen between two of them. Okay. Now, the next one, what I'm explaining today, where exactly the artificial intelligence using on day-to-day basis. Yeah. Now AI in autonomous vehicles, how your vehicle for the longest time, self-driving cars, buzzwords in AI industry. Yeah. So how artificial intelligence is implemented in AI automation cars, guys. Yeah. So for example, AI in space explorations. Let me give you one example. So this is a robo. The scientists are sent the drones or robo to the Mars to find out what exactly images inside the Mars. Yeah. In existing days, to get the image from the Mars, it required minimum 6 months to 1 year of time. But now this robo has a technology called computer visions. Yeah. And they recognize the image, whether this is in sand or molecule or any kind of insect. So that's what immediately they send an image to the NASA scientists, guys. Yeah. AI also being used in NASA for next robo missions to Mars. Okay, so this is also AI also used in gaming. I think some games is banned in this world, like PUBG. Yes, they've been implemented. AI is a backend. So that's why it's most the player who is playing with the machine, it's keep you motivating to play next shot. That's why people are spending more than 2 days 3 days for one game, isn't it? Yeah. So now AI in banking and finance. AI banks predict future outcomes, trends, fraud detections, lot of frauds happening. Yeah, risk analysis. So the AI is captured all kind of projects, I mean, is implemented in the banking industry as well, guys. Yeah, so various applications we have, so that where AI is implemented. Now today I want to talk about one project. Let's discuss one project. Okay, so let's say, guys, automated AI car. Okay, so let's say you're driving on a road, you're driving, or maybe you walk on a road. Yeah. And you are not a robot, we are humans. Yeah, we cannot walk like a straight. Maybe we can dance, we can put bend, and you can look turn around here and there. Yeah, so this we can do. Today I'm going to talk about one project called data augmentations. Yeah, what exactly mean by data augmentations, I'll tell you. Look at this. This is original image, right? This is original image. If I rotate this image, the image looks like this, isn't it? If I make this image as blur, the images look like this, isn't it? Contrast, scaling, eliminations, projective, black and white. Do you see, guys, in Play Store, you can download a lot of apps that you upload your image becomes too old, isn't it? Agree or not agree? So this concept is called data augmentations. Okay, today this is real time projects, and these projects implemented in automation scale. This is part of the project. So now how exactly machines will train your image? Let's say you guys upload your image. From one image, if I can create 1,000 images, then only your car will trained properly, isn't it? Everybody's understand or not? So how do I create? Using one image, I can create multiple images, like, okay, like rotations, blur, width phase, length phase, all those things. That is called data augmentations. And we're going to work using TensorFlow. What exactly we called? Using TensorFlow. TensorFlow is the framework for, very good. TensorFlow and Keras is the framework for deep learning. Guys, are you able to understand? Yes, online team. Does my voice is clear, guys? Okay. Now let's say Keras dot pre-processing image. I'm not going to explain this code. Very simple code. Keras, TensorFlow, Keras is the framework. Understand? From Keras pre-processing image, this is a simple English. Import. From this package, I am importing image data generator. Okay. Array to image. Machines does not understand face, whether the image is cat or whether the image is dog, but machines understand 1 and 0, isn't it? Machines is made up of CPU. Every CPU there is a RAM. Yeah, they can figure out only binary data, means 0 and 1. Understand? So array to image and image to array, and then load image. And I'll talk about, I'm not going to explain right now because I add some of the parameters here. Image data generator, rotation range, rotate the image 40, width of the image 0.4, height of the image 0.4, and zoom and all those things. Let's run this package. So here in interview questions, if you say, I work deep learning projects, they will ask you what would be the backend. So if Keras is the front end, what exactly you're getting? TensorFlow is the back end. Understand? So to create the TensorFlow environment, tomorrow onwards, I will start Python programming course, guys. See, demo, I can take demo 30 days. It's not make sense, right? You have to understand, you have to download the software, you have to start working on the task. If you click the software options, did you see Anaconda? In Anaconda, you see there is a Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda, and TensorFlow, right? TensorFlow and OpenCV. So we need to create this TensorFlow environment to build this advanced projects. Yeah. Now, image. Where do I save this image? Let's go up. Cody at work, data science projects, data augmentations. These are the projects. These are the images. Yeah, this is my file name, isn't it? Let's copy the path and let's paste here. Yeah, and dog. Image name is dog. So what I'm gonna do, this is the dog image. Yeah. Now let me pass this file name over here and let me execute. Yeah. Now image clear. In Mac, how to install? I will tell you, Sunita, from tomorrow onwards, I will explain you how to install. Tomorrow is the last day for demo. And I just introduced to the Tableau software, and I'll talk about everybody come along with the laptop and we need to work together and the session would continue. Understood? All the online teams? Yeah. So now let me run this one. When I click image, did you see what image you got? You got dog's image, right? So if you do not import the TensorFlow and Keras, you cannot get this image. Understand? You cannot get this image. So the deep learning engineer has very high package, guys. Minimum package of deep learning engineer is 13 lakhs. Minimum package. Understand? So this is the deep learning packages like TensorFlow, Keras, and I'm going to explain in detail. When you practice, then things would be so clear. If you don't practice, nothing happens. Now, this is my cleaned image. Yes. What exactly I wanted to say, I convert these images to little bit width, little heighter, and squeeze of these images. Many images I can do. So I can write. I will talk about this later part. What is iterations? What is meant by batch generations? How to reshape the data? Okay. And I'm saying I just reshape these images by apply all these parameters, and I'm saying to my machines, please create 20 images and save these images to this directory. What is the directory? I'll create an empty folder here. This is empty folder and the folder is empty now. Okay. And I pass this original images to here and write a code and TensorFlow. This package will take care and convert this original images to 20 images. Yeah. So that my machines will train properly with same dog image data. For example, let me execute this one. Did you see the images are created? It's a backend. Yeah. All are JPG file because I mentioned JPG file here, isn't it? Now, let me tell you guys, when you work these images projects on your laptop, you definitely get a confidence, guys. You definitely get a confidence and you upload in your GitHub, LinkedIn, and your Stack Overflow. Okay, all those things because Google is God. Yeah. Every time you go to a functions, yeah, you take a images and you upload. Everybody have social media account, right? Like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, everyone have. The same way for a software developer, we should have GitHub, Stack Overflow, all those things. I will tell you why. Real-time task I'm just talking about. Yeah. Now let's minimize this one and look at these images. How many images we created? 21 items means 20 images. Let's go about. So this is cat. I'm sorry. I just have to change the name here. Just I change to cat. So dog. And let's kernel restart and clear output. Let's minimize this and I'm going to delete all these objects again. And let me rerun again. Let's close it and just run. Did you see the kernel is running? The option is the light is popping up here. Yes, it's up and down, up and down. Yeah, I mean, the script is running. Yeah, do not do any further actions when the code is running. Now let's run, and run this one. And still the code is scripting. And did you see how the dog is, how the images are created is the backend? Did you see, guys? Correct. I train a neat and clean dog image, but my model gives you output as little bit shared, little bit zoom, so that what happened when automated car, driverless car, when car is moving, the car will recognize, the car model will recognize, even though he is a person. So do not touch. Okay. So this is called data augmentation, is very, very important. Now let's open this one. Let's see. This is not original image. Is this cleaned image? No. Now what about this one? No. What about this one? No. This one completely squeezed. Yeah. The grass is coming up here, guys, isn't it? And what about this one? Clear? So what happened? One phase, if your image is there, when you train to the model will create duplicates of images, not duplicate, with different sizes, different variety of the images, so that the model will recognize properly. Okay. So this is computer visions projects, guys. I hope you understand, everyone. Any questions, guys, so far? Online team? Interesting? Yeah, Varma, I will talk to you after complete the sessions. Okay, Varma? Yeah. So this is all the projects we're going to talk about. And when you see this one, Control F, TensorFlow, enter TensorFlow framework, deep learning and neural network. In deep learning, introduced to neural network, what is perceptron, what is activation functions, what is cost functions, TensorFlow graphs, and installing TensorFlow regressions, TensorFlow classifications, deep learning model using CPU and GPU. Now, what is meant by CPU and GPU? Let's talk about, this is my system. If I go back to the system setting here, task manager, performance. Yeah. What exactly this? This is my CPU, isn't it? CPU. Yeah. So in CPU, I have 8 GB RAM, isn't it? This is my personal laptop, guys. So I didn't bring my office laptop. So this is CPU, SSD is there, and CPU is running. Did you see CPU is 54%? The interview question is, the real-time interview question is, if your image data is 50 GB, understand? What is my question? If your image data is 50 GB, can you train this 50 GB image data, 50 GB image data over 8 GB RAM? These are the real-time interview questions. Isn't it make sense or not? Yeah. Can you train? I have my 8 GB RAM laptop, but the data means the image, whatever we have 50 GB. Online students, what is your answers? Can I do it? Can I do this? Definitely we can do this. We can do this, guys. Yes, we can do this, but why? What happened if I make a batch? So let's say 50 GB divided by 15 batches, right? Or might be 10 batches. So what exactly happened? 5 GB. Now your RAM is 8 GB. Now don't you think so? 5 GB image can be trained on 8 GB? Yes or not? Agree or not? Yes, guys. So now you understood. This is the logic. This would be the logic. So being a real-time expert, I will guide you what type of interview questions you need to prepare well before of the interview. So I prepared some of the 30 days action plan to crack the interview. Just one moment. Yeah, just go back here. interview preparations backup file. Did you see this data science interview questions day 1 and day 2? Did you see guys data science interview questions? Yeah. What is difference between AI, ML, data science? And I will also share all these things. What is the difference between supervised, unsupervised reinforcement learning? So there's a few things, guys. What exactly things is all about? First thing, the first concepts, I will explain each and every concept. Okay. Then I will show you practical. Understand? The third one, I will give you the task for the concept. And the fourth one is, right, interview questions. Clear? Everybody's clear? So after 2 months, after 3 months, we will work on project which you need to prepare resume and upload 7 job websites. Every day, 1 hour, you need to apply the job. Only for apply the job. Forget about the result. What I hope you understand. Because job is not in our hands, right? What exactly in our hands is to apply the jobs. If you apply 10,000, let's say 1,000 jobs, guys, okay? I'm sure if you not get call, there's a 2 options. If you not get call, just connect with me. Tell sir project is, can we change the project? Yeah. Can we change the project? Yeah, I'll help you on this one. If you get a call, let me, if you get a call, so that means your resume is fine. Okay. Out of 1,000 job, might be you got around, let's say 100 calls. 100 calls, you gave 50 interview. Out of 50 interview, 35 interview, you flunk. Flunk means you fail. Okay. Out of 35 interview, how many interview left? 15. Out of 15 interview, 7 interview, you clear first round. Understand, guys? You clear first round. 8 interview. Out of 8, 7 interview first round. And out of 8 interview, yeah, you clear, okay? All rounds are clear. All rounds are clear. And out of 8 interview, you expect 3 offers. Damn sure you get offers, guys. This is practically proven. You know, you want to see the results. Just now, everybody's understand online students what I'm talking. Very simple and straightforward. I'm talking to you guys. This is not the rocket science. First, we understand why we are learning this course. We learning this course to get a job, to transit our existing job, simply to get a good pay, isn't it? To get a good pay. Now, just one moment. Just one sec. Okay. So I just show you. In the meantime, it will open. Yeah. So let's get back to the work. Yeah. So this is what exactly I will help you. And what would be the data science salary range and job designations? Okay. After, so please share the syllabus PDF. See, again, I said, okay, what exactly mean by you get a syllabus copy from Naresh IT support team. You can go and check with them. Lot of the syllabus you does not mentions over there because this guidance, this real-time teachings does not mention. Okay, but anyway, you can go and collect from there. Okay, see, yeah. Now, before that, course duration is how many months, sir? Vineet, it's Vinesh, minimum it's Support team is not replying. Yes, Vashim, support team is not replying because when might be they're driving and somewhere else, you if you call, then may not respond. That's okay, guys. First time they not respond, that does not mean that they have to respond. They will reach you out. No need to worry. Yes, Vashim? Okay. Now let's get back to the topic here. Just one moment. Yeah. Did you see there is one student today morning only I had a chart. He uploads some status. You also like my friends and students, whatever learners, online guys, are you able to see this? Yeah. So today I chart, he posts some update. He was my student. He was non-technical, zero knowledge of data science. Any update, Mahesh, on your job? I just post. I cross-check with my students as well. Hello, sir. I apply the positions of data scientist in Tiger Analytics and Genpact company. Okay, all my rounds are completed, but I did not receive any confirmations email. Then I just drop an email to HR. Sir, I have texted them twice. They said we'll let you know soon. Then I said, calm down and be patient. Don't worry. Drop an email. Update me once you received any offer and keep giving offer until you have an offer. This guy completed the course 3 months ago. Okay. But still, I am chatting with him because I am the guy. Don't let the person go until he have an offer. I'm sure. Look at this. He cleared Tiger Analysis and Genpact company, and he already got another offer from HCL. He is confident that I have to get minimum 12 lakhs offer. Okay, minimum 12 lakhs offer. He didn't join this company. Okay, so look at this, guys. Please share support team. Okay, just one moment. Support team details. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, let me talk about this one as well. Yeah. So I said, update me once you. Then finally he replied, I understand, sir. Sure. Thanks. Guys, this is what exactly I'm just talking to my students. I want to make a good relationship with me. See, guys, in the life, we need to have a patience for job, for family, for futures. If you don't have patience, you never win the world. I'm saying, guys, if you don't have patience, you never win the world. So to get a job, you have to speak within interviews, right? You don't know how to speak, and finally you say a job is not done. Job never done. You never get job. You have to speak. You have to convince him with your way of speaking. Let me tell you, out of 100 persons, 40% depends on your communication skill and how do you explain the concepts what asked by recruiter. Agree or not agree? You mentioned, sir, I'm done deep learning project. They will ask, what projects you done? Then you say, I will done, I done. They won't hire you, guys. You have to speak what projects I done. You have to, that's what I'll give a training for this one, guys. How to introductions, introduce yourself, all those things. Okay. Now let's talk about what could be the packages of data scientist. The packages becomes the yearly data scientist salary across the globe: Argentina, Australia, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, London, Mexico, Morocco, US, Sweden, Spain, South Africa. So the codes which you are learning, that is not only for India. Right now you are at this stage. Let me tell you, everyone, online and offline, right now you are at this stage. Who knows, yeah, after 10 years, you may be some positions, isn't it? Time is never constant. Road is not plain, ups and downs. Yeah, might be you are in downs, and one day if you study well, okay, you could be get a good offers. Trust me, a lot of students get a job offers under my training program. Okay, so that's why I collected the offers to show my other batch students. That brings them for a motivations. Yeah. Now, after complete this course, you become junior data scientist, senior data scientist, principal data scientist, machine learning engineer, NLP engineer, deep learning engineer, data analyst, principal data scientist, machine learning developer, AI developer, and NLP developer. Any one role suits you after complete this course. All right. And now if you go back to another slide, just one moment, let me paste this support team informations. Yep. Yeah. Copy this one. I had messaged yesterday, but Washim, no problem. Especially, I will tell him to connect with you. Is that fine, buddy? I will tell him to connect with you so that he will reach out. No need to worry. Just calm down. Okay, just calm down. All right. Okay. So, what exactly the next topic? The next topic is all about, yeah, we understand where exactly AI is implemented, like marketing also, Amazon recommendations, Netflix. If you likely to watch action movies, today you watch one action movie, automatically tomorrow also the action movies will recommend to you, isn't it? So the one who new learners today, please, you will get the recording sessions for last 3 day sessions. Okay, you just connect with them. Yeah, I will inform them as well. Now machine learning, in machine learning, okay, AI also implement in fashion technology. In machine learning, machine is learning from the data. What type of data we have? Structured, unstructured, reinforcement. Yeah, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. I hope, yes guys, tomorrow is same link. Yes Washim, tomorrow is same link. Yeah. So can anyone give me the regressions example which I told you? Online students and offline students, what was the regressions example yesterday we discussed? Regressions problem statement. If the dependent variable is continuous in nature, what is the example? Price forecasting, okay, and weather forecasting, stock market price predictions. Excellent, Shahid. Very good, Ajad. Right? And what is the classifications? The mail is spam or not spam. The food is good or bad. Yes, spam or not spam. The data is classified. Yeah. So what is the real-time applications? Win or lose. Excellent, Verma. Very good. Now applications of machine learning. Any others? Oil price. Sunita, oil price is what? Regressions or classifications? May I know, please? Oil price. Regressions. But there's a two use cases. Whether the oil price is very high, very low. Understand? In company, in business projects, you might implement two, regressions and classifications. Understand? So those projects I'm going to share with you later part. All right. And the next topic, the same thing, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. There are few algorithms. Supervised learning, we have regressions and classifications, as I mentioned here. Now, let's say, what is the temperature going to be tomorrow? Regressions or classifications? What is the temperatures going to be day after tomorrow? Regressions or classifications? Very good. Now, will it be cold or hot tomorrow? If I considered cold becomes 0, hot becomes 1, 0 and 1, the data is classified, isn't it? So that's why this is classifications. Regression is a whole number also. Whole number, yes, you can say that, Ajad. Yeah, we can discuss, guys. I will take everybody's introductions from Monday, because Monday or Tuesday, I don't know, the link will change. The one who enroll to this course, they are eligible to this course. With video, the course fees is 20,000. Without videos, the course fees is 15,000, guys. Same course content, if you joined in upgrade, they will charge 4 lakhs. In great learning, they will charge 5 lakhs. Okay. All right. I'm just training to them as well, guys. All right. So how you want to see the proof? Just go back to here. And my few students are there. Mentality. Did you see? I'm training to them as well. Okay. Student progress is studies is classifications. No, Sunita, it's a regressions. Progress in studies means, did you see upgrade? Yeah, I'm just training to them as well, guys. Clear? I do have few things, but yeah. Two people, yes, Vardhana, I'll speak with you. Just write down your questions. I'm sorry about that, because I'm connects with microphone which handles offline and online. So when I speak with you, might be I cannot hear you. So after the class, I will change my personal headphone and then we can speak. Yeah. Do not let go. Do not sign off. Just stay until I clear your questions. Okay. Online team. Clear, guys? Yeah. Yeah, what exactly Verma said? Predictions is regressions and comparing and support to one is classifications. You can say it, Verma, compare, support, and result. Yeah, the result part is also comes around classifications. When I explain you more and more example, you guys are clear about these informations. Now, let's see this. What is supervised learning? I train my machines to known data. I know this is an apple and I apply machine learning algorithms and test model. I'll show the apple. So my model predict it is an apple, right? Where I train the image, the model knows this is an apple, right? And testing part also, I'll show them apple, then the model, it is an apple. This is called supervised. And what are advanced algorithms? Logistic regressions, linear regressions, random forest algorithms, polynomial regressions. This number is not responding a query still yesterday. Which one, buddy? Which one? This number is not responding. Okay, just I'll address. Let me take a screenshot. Just one moment here. What's your name? Your name is showing C. Just bear with me. Let me take snipping tool. Okay. And I will take down your query. I will send the screenshots and submit to the support team. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? C? All right. Now, yeah, cool. Did you see supervised learning algorithms, decision tree, KNN, naive? All right, these are the algorithms comes under supervised learning or structured data or what we call label data. Very good. Now, linear regressions, price predictions. I was talk about what is the formula of all about y equals to mx plus c, isn't it? Weather forecasting, stock price predictions. This is comes under regressions. Now, what is classifications? This is called sigmoid curve. Why to introduce sigmoid curve? At this moment, you do not understand. I will tell you the reality. Let's say the happy face or sad face. Is it a classifications or regressions? Classifications, happy or sad. So what algorithms we implemented in the backend? Classification algorithms, right? Classification algorithms we've been implemented. Yeah. So fraud detections, the email is spam or non-spam, happy or sad emotions, object classifications. These all comes under logistic classifications. Decision tree. I will come back to this one. How a tree come for a decisions whether you want to buy a cloth or you don't want to buy a cloth. Yeah. This is all comes under supervised. What is unsupervised learning? What exactly I mean by unsupervised learning? Let me give you some example. There is no label data. There are multiple fruits we have, right? There is multiple fruits we have. If I train the model with these fruits, my model will recognize the pattern. What is the pattern? Whether these fruits are apple or these fruits are any other fruits, right? Now, for example, there are some algorithms called key means clustering. What is this clustering algorithms? Let's say I have mixed color balls. Yeah. In one bucket, I have three colors ball. One is red and mix and all the ball. When I train the model using k-means clustering, the maths behind the k-means clustering is Euclidean distance and centroid concepts. I'll talk about this. The model will see a pattern. This group is white ball. This group is check color ball. And this is another color ball. I hope you understand, right? Yes, guys, everybody's clear? Yeah. So all these things we're going to search engine. What is the real time? Where do we clustering? Let's go back to here. And let me talk about the images called mango. Yeah. So images. Only mango clusters we got it or not? This is real time projects, guys, using help of clustering algorithms. Understood? Yeah. So now let's talk about, so we're going to see rest of the topic. I mean, we had few slides to cover. Tomorrow, everybody come with your laptop. If you like this course, just, just enroll to this, because next week onwards, the link will change And Tableau, little bit work on Tableau. Tomorrow I'll show up what is meant by visualizations, how Tableau can understand big data, yeah, and how do we visualize. And next part would be software using for data science called Anaconda. So tomorrow we download these applications and I'm introduced start the codes from tomorrow. Clear? And also a few slides I'm left with it, and we will discuss tomorrow like what is okay, what exactly we required for advanced LGBM, neural network, GBM, XGBoost. This is called advanced. And tomorrow we're going to talk about what is meant by deep learning. There are some defaults machine learning does not understand. That's why we go for a deep learning, guys. Yeah. What exactly the input layer, hidden layer, output layer, just briefing up tomorrow. This is a big concept. As this is a demo sessions, you wanted to know what exactly topics we're going to cover up, how your machines will identify an image, how the pixels you take a, you buy a camera. Yeah. When you buy a camera, what exactly you have, guys? Pixel. Yeah, you need a hi-fi pixels cameras, right? How machines will understand these pixels, all those things we're going to understand, guys. And what is convolutions neural network, how your deep learning algorithms will recognize this is a face, this is an object, this is an object. Understand? So this called advanced. And also, if possible, tomorrow I'll show you the real-time detections in a vehicle. What is the accuracy of this car? What is the accuracy of this car, guys? 89 percentages. Are you see this? 89 percentages. And what is the accuracy of the bus? 67 percentages. How your model will build this accuracy, we're going to understand all those things from tomorrow. And we download Anaconda applications from tomorrow. Okay, guys? Any just online students, just stay with me. And sir, request you to LinkedIn, please accept my connections. Sure, I will do that, Tejasvi. No need to worry. Yeah. Okay. So online team, any questions, just stay, don't go. I will connect with you. Let me fix offline questions, then I'll come back to you. Clear? Everybody's clear? Online team, just stay if you have any questions. If do not stay if you don't have any questions. Okay. And definitely I will inform the support team to reach you out. Just you can drop a message to the support team, your name and all those things. Clear, guys? Yes, please go ahead. Anybody have any questions, guys? Okay, someone asked me, sir, are you covered Python from basic? Yes, guys. If you see here, just let me explain you. Let me, I think I opened this one. Yeah, just go back to here. Just bear with me. Yeah. Introductions to Python. What exactly I'll teach you in the Python is the module introduced Python environment setup, features of Python, basic Python syntax, benefit and limitations of Python, basic of Python identifiers, data types, typecastings, data structures, import libraries, file handling in Pythons. In this one, we understood many things like tuples, sets, dictionaries, and NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, and how to read and write from the Python and data visualizations. This is what we required to want to become a data scientist, guys. Okay, you don't need to go deep dive into yet. Yes, guys, everybody's clear? Okay, I think someone is asking me these questions. Cover at the end of the sessions, like bank projects, Tejasvi, capstone projects like bank projects, healthcare projects, insurance projects. I'll give you one example. Chartbot. Is it a real time or not? Is it a real time? This projects, risk analysis. Is it a real time? Everywhere the risk factor is there. Just to give you a glimpse of the project informations. This is a demo. I don't want to share a lot of informations right now. Okay, I'll share you at a later part. Clear, Tejasvi? All right. Yeah. Now, anybody have any questions, guys, in the offline? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand or not? Yeah. So any questions, you can stay or else you can leave for the day. Tomorrow we catch up. It's better if you bring up your laptop. We're going to download the software and we work together. Clear? Okay. Yeah, if you don't have 4G RAM, I will tell you tomorrow what is meant by Google Colab. Just go to Google. I'll show you tomorrow what exactly mean by Google Colab, guys. Understand? Tomorrow we're going to understand this one. Yeah, all those things. Clear? Let's go to Google Colab tomorrow. I talk because some students are left. All right. Yeah, that's it for today's sessions. We talk about tomorrow. I introduced to Tableau and demo sessions I'll complete by tomorrow and heading towards task work. Do you need to learn coding in depth? Not required, Avilash, not required. Even though MBA guys are come to the data science, even though mechanical guys are come to the data science, even the technical guys are come to the data science. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow I'm not attending the lecture, sir, because this is functions my home. You can attend only for few minutes, Vashim. Yeah, just better. You can do your work and mute yourself and listen. Very simple. Would you have any new batch after this month? Pratyush, you just talk to the support team. Do we need to learn? No, Avilash, not required. Guys, any questions, you can post your questions. It's not that I have to speak with you. Yeah. And you post your questions and leave for the day. Clear, everyone? Yeah, done, guys. Today's session is done. We see you tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah, what's our demos lecture recording is provided? Yes, yes. Yesterday I sent 2 days demo. Yes, Vasim. And please, can you share the course? Silesh, how many times I can say connect to the support team and they clearly go to the websites you can download. Thank you. I missed 3 demo classes. Yes, Prakash, how will I manage? No, this is just a demo, right? This is not a sessions. So the support team will give you recordings. Maybe tomorrow I'll collect and I will submit tomorrow. Yes. Clear? Okay, good. Thanks. Ramya. Yes, please, Ramya. What's your questions? I unmute you.
Hello, sir. Do we can get the lectures on daily basis?
One moment. I cannot hear you. Let me change my microphone and speak with you. Okay, Ramya? Just give a
Okay.
second, please. Just one moment, guys. Okay, please go ahead. Yeah, any further questions to the team? Yeah, just one moment. Let me change my headphone and then speak with you. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll share the notes. Google Drive. I will give some task and all those things, right? I cannot remember everything, right?
Yeah.
Let me.
I will give no. Yeah, notes in the sense in. Yeah. See, notes in the sense. Let me speak with them, and then I'll get back to you tomorrow. Okay? Because your question is offline. I will send the daily notes to the Google Drive. Google Drive. You can download from there. Yes. I know. Nobody will remember, even though I won't remember. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, thank you. Ha, all these things I know. Telugu, Odia, Hindi, English. One second. Yes, Ramya, can you please go ahead? Ramya, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Do we can get the lectures videos on daily basis?
Daily basis for recording videos, I think they have extra charge you need to pay for, I
Yeah, yeah.
think. Yeah, yes, you can get. No need to worry.
On daily basis or else weekly wise we'll
Daily
get.
basis, daily basis.
Okay, 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 sir.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
weekly basis not make sense, right? Because if you're
Yes,
absent today,
yes. Yeah,
so if
that
you
is
get
what I'm
next week,
thinking.
then it's a problem. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Hi, sir.
Dakshayani, yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, good
Yes,
morning,
Ajay.
sir.
Unmute. Yes, Shiva. Yeah,
Yeah,
unmute
actually,
everyone. Yeah, any
Sir,
questions? Yeah.
sir, I have 2 GB RAM laptop, sir. Can I use it or get buy a new one?
Just 1 second, I'll answer you. Yeah, please, one by one. Please go ahead, guys.
Hi, sir.
1 second, I'm sorry, 1 second. Yes, yes, please. Who's this online? One by one.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
What's your name? First, tell me your name.
Sabyasachi Azad, sir.
Ajat, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is, how
Hmm.
can I get called as a fresher candidate? As
Yesterday, do you listen all the videos which I told you?
yesterday I miss
Ha,
on
that's
our.
what I showed you in Naukri.com. What is the jobs for freshers? I showed. You go to the recording and come back. Yes, Ajat?
Sir, I miss yesterday's recording.
I will give the
Yeah.
recording link tomorrow.
Okay, okay, sir.
Or else my support team send the recording link. Okay, Ajat?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
is it
Yeah,
required, sir? One
yeah,
more
tell me.
question.
Tell me.
Is it required to express in resume that
Mhm.
I am an experienced candidate or fresh, totally fresh?
When you completed your class, when you completed your work, I mean, your study educations,
Okay, okay, sir.
are you a freshers or experienced guy?
Totally fresh, sir.
Freshers, you apply for a freshers, right?
Okay,
Yeah, thank you. Yes,
thank you.
Ajad, let me go ahead to the other persons. Yeah, anyone, guys,
Okay.
please respond.
Sir,
Yeah, who's this?
can you hear me, sir? My name is Vardhan, sir.
Yeah, Vardhan, please go ahead.
Sir, what if we have a after 2 years graduation, sir?
Mhm,
Is there any gap after graduation, 2 years?
mhm.
We have to face any future. We have to face any problems in future, sir.
No
Like
problem.
interview.
No, just now 2019-20, lot of
Yes,
people
sir.
are lost their job due to COVID. So do
Yes,
you
sir.
think
Yes,
any
sir.
problem will happen? Don't you think company also considered that, right? Projects are fired, companies are shut it down, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there is no problem, isn't it?
Thank you so much for the information.
Thank you. Yeah. So the one who don't have any questions, you can lower your hands. Let me talk to any guys. You can ask your questions in Telugu, Hindi, Odia, any language comfort. You can speak with me. No problem. Okay? Yeah. Tell me, guys. Yes, Poonam. Yes, Shiva. Yeah,
Sir,
Hello,
unmute.
sir.
Yeah, please.
Hello,
sir,
sir. My
ఇప్పుడు
name is
నా
Poonam.
2 GB RAM ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంది, అది యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా సార్?
Yes, you can do that. Tomorrow I'll show you Google Colab how to. If not working, I'll give you other options as well. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Yeah. Thank you, Poonam. Yeah. Who's this? Shivama.
Nice, sir. Hello, hello.
Yeah. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. My name is
Yeah.
Poonam. Hello.
Yep. I'm listening. No problem, guys. I'm waiting for you. Yeah. Tell me, Poonam.
Sir, अपना sorry, sir.
Hmm.
Why job data science and sir?
Now you speak with me as your language. I can understand.
ठीक है, sir. Sorry, my language in Hindi, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me your questions. I'll go back to the other person waiting.
सर ये इंस्टॉलमेंट से फी नहीं भर सकते क्या आप ये इसके क्लासेस के?
See, all the payment questions you can speak to the support team. Okay, Poonam? Yeah.
यस सर आणि
You
जॉबचं सर?
job C. If you study,
हाँ
then
सर,
you get a job.
फ्रेशर.
If you don't study, fresher is there. Did you see yesterday recording? Go to the Google, yes, Poonam, and type
हो,
data science freshers jobs. Yeah, and you get to see.
ठीक आहे सर. सर
Okay,
बीटेक
Poonam.
आणि थर्ड इयर सर मी
No problem. Very good
अभी.
options, buddy. Go for it. Yes, Poonam.
ओके सर.
No problem. I'm here, so no need to worry. Yes, Sushant, it's done. Anybody have any
Hello, sir.
question? Yeah,
Yes, sir. Can I yeah.
yeah. Please go ahead.
Sir, I just have a question. I see in the Knowledge website that there is a mention about capstone project. So what is, because you said
Capstone
many
project.
projects
Yeah,
here. Yeah.
Sushant, I will tell you. Capstone project in the sense bank industry. You're from Odisha, right? Pradhan.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So bank projects, the bank projects, insurance projects, healthcare projects. Yeah, these are the capstone projects. Bank
Okay.
domain never die, right? Insurance
Yes, yes.
domains never die. Healthcare domains never die. So this is called capstone projects, which we call BFSI, banking,
Okay.
finance, service, and insurance. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah.
So one more question is that in class, if you do any programming, that you will share with our in
Of
Notepad,
course.
or it will be
No, you don't need to
PDF?
worry. I will share with you. If you do not work, I will spend time. We will sit together. We'll work together. No problem, Sushant. Okay. Tomorrow
Okay.
you
My
come
question
with
is that
laptop.
you will share in PDF or it's a text
I
file?
will share in programming file. You should
Programming
know
file.
the
Okay.
programming file. Yeah.
Okay.
That's called
Okay.
.ipynb. Thanks,
Yes,
buddy.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes, Drakshayani, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. Good
Yeah.
morning, sir.
Good morning.
Actually, my stream in BSc, MSc is, stats.
Okay.
So, is
Very
there
good.
any opportunity to go into in
Come on,
stats?
stats is much required for machine learning, isn't it?
It's suitable for machine learning.
Yes, it's suitable for
Okay.
machine learning. If you know machine learning, then suitable for deep learning. Then you suitable
Okay.
for data science course, right?
Yeah.
That is why the statistics is required. If you don't know statistics, then you never become a data scientist. Understand or not what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm understand, sir.
Yeah, then
Actually, I will just confuse a little bit, so that's why I'm asking.
no problem, no problem. Okay.
Actually,
Thanks.
I missed some classes also, sir.
I will send the recording tomorrow. Okay. All the
In
classes till
middle
today.
of the class will be some network issues. I
Yeah,
will be
that's what I'm
logged in.
saying. You go for a recording one. Okay, the
Yeah.
Rakshayan? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you
Yes,
so much,
Shubham,
sir.
please go ahead. Yes, Sumit, please go ahead, guys. Yeah.
Sir, actually, I'm 2008.
1 second. Yes, Shubham, go ahead, please.
Sir, actually, I'm 2018 mechanical passed out. Since
Okay.
2020, I am not doing any job, sir. And this
So
this course will help me.
I'll tell you one thing. 2018, you have to apply some of the experience regarding machine learning. Machine learning is jobs started from 4 years back. Understand?
Okay.
And
Okay.
1920 anyway COVID time. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
may apply for a freshers. We prepared 2 resume, Shubham. One we apply as a freshers and another we apply as a experience. Correct?
Experience. Yes, sir.
And then let's see whatever you get called, you can go by that way. Clear?
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
please. Good morning, Sumit.
Sir, I have graduated in 2015 from
Okay.
EC branch. But
Okay.
then after did some work in non-tech companies, and now I'm going to switch to software field. Then
Yeah, I'll ask
still
one question. Do you have any offer letter, experience letter, and pay slip, everything?
yes, yes.
Then we can apply. You remove all projects. What have you done? We mentioned as a data analysis, and
Okay.
then switch to the machine learning. It is possible, but what I required is your time. If you dedicate your time on practicing and learning, this would be so nice.
Then how I can show the gap of 7 years?
How many gaps do you have?
7 years, sir. Because
So-
yes, sir, 7 years.
See, let me tell you, 7 years gap, data science jobs created from last 5 years, right?
Okay.
7 years gaps, we need to apply some of experience.
Okay.
Some of experience you stating, I'm working as a software engineer before. Regarding the experience, I won't explain right now. You just trust me. I will help you. Understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Clear, Sumit? Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks, buddy. Okay, that's it for today's sessions, guys. Anybody have any questions? Yes, Ajad. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Yes, Ajad. Tomorrow we will discuss. Clear? Please write down your questions, guys, and come back so that you don't forget any questions here. All right? Yep. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. Any further questions? Okay. Thank you, Mohammad Arshad. Just one moment, buddy. Just one moment. Let me take my laptop towards up and just give me 5 minutes. If you have any questions, I'll address you. Okay. Just one moment.